Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. In this article, you will learn how to pursue a career in biotechnology and what are the required education and skills for it. Let's get started. If you are fascinated by the power of living organisms and the potential they hold, then a career as a biotechnologist might be your ideal pathway. Biotechnologists harness the principles of biology and technology to develop innovative solutions in various fields such as medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Roles and responsibilities: research and development, conducting experiments and research to understand biological processes and develop new biotechnological applications. Product development, creating and testing new products such as pharmaceuticals, biofuels, or genetically modified crops. Quality control, ensuring that biotechnological products meet safety and quality standards through rigorous testing and validation procedures. Data analysis, analyzing complex biological data using advanced software and statistical methods to draw meaningful conclusions and guide research directions. Skills: technical expertise, proficiency in laboratory techniques such as polymerase chain reaction, gel electrophoresis, and cell culture. Familiarity with biotechnological tools and technologies is essential. Analytical skills, ability to analyze and interpret complex biological data. Strong problem-solving skills are crucial for experiments and optimizing processes. Attention to detail, precision is vital in biotechnology, as small errors can lead to significant consequences. Communication skills, effective communication is necessary for writing research reports, presenting findings, and collaborating with team members. Ethical judgment, biotechnologists must navigate ethical considerations related to genetic modification, environmental impact, and the use of living organisms in research. Education: bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree in biotechnology, biology, or a related field is the foundational step. Master's degree. Although not always required, a master's degree can offer specialized knowledge and research opportunities. PhD. For those interested in high-level research or academic positions, a PhD in biotechnology or a related field is often necessary. With a blend of scientific expertise, creativity, and dedication, biotechnologists play a crucial role in shaping the future of technology and science. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned a field of innovation. Biotechnologists utilize biology and technology to create solutions in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. Key responsibilities: the field involves research, product development, quality control, data analysis, and ethical considerations. Essential skills and education: biotechnologists require technical expertise, analytical skills, attention to detail, communication abilities, and ethical judgment. A strong educational foundation in biology or related fields is necessary. We hope you liked this story.